friend, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marcy, and in this video we are going to do something a little bit different. This is a collaboration video with Shaz from Shaz Creates. She is my dear friend and a lovely crafter and very talented artist and just a very sweet soul. So I will recommend you to hop over to her channel after you finish watching my video because she's got a part 2 of this. So for this video, we just created a background page for an art piece, a collage or something, whatever you wanted to do. And I first made my papers and then used them to create this background for my piece. But I sent it to her before finishing mine so that she could use mine to do whatever she wanted with it. And she created a piece of art from it. And then she sent me her background page or collage, and I finished my creation with her piece. So it was really fun that we did this swap because you get to experience working with another artist from another freaking continent, because she is in Australia and I'm all the way in Spain. So if you want to join in the fun, we have uploaded this to a link that I'm going to put down below in the description, and you can download it and also create something with it. And if you do, please, oh my god, share it with us because this is kind of cool, you know, a mix of different artists into one piece. This is like really nice. So make sure you go download it and do your work and make your magic happen, and then share it with us either on Instagram, or you can send us an email, or I mean, you can send me an email. And with your permission, I will probably post it on Instagram too, because I love sharing your work too. So don't be shy. I'll link all of the goodies and stuff down in the description. But for now, this is how I'm making my papers, and it is just, you know, paper, coffee, and my fake writing, because I'm not writing anything. This is fake writing. And that's how we roll when we make our own papers, you know. Me being a bit more minimalish, I have very limited crafts supplies. There you go, me not talking properly. But anyhow, I had a lot of fun doing this. So Shaz, it's probably using coffee, and I mean tea, because I am a coffee addict and she is a tea lover. So there you go, difference in artist. But anyhow, I'm gonna leave you to watch my video and see what I do. But don't forget, just go over, print it out, have fun, join us for this kind of challenge, you know, and just, you know, I'll probably jump back in at the end of the video. But for now, I hope you're enjoying it. And this is Shaz's piece. This is her background. background page collage. I'm gonna show it to you again a little bit so that you can see how gorgeous this is. And I'm gonna chop it up. Yes, I am. We are going to make a flower. So I love that little kind of shell looking piece right there. And then I love how the white and the dots in the music paper were on the other and on her collage. And I wanted to bring that white back into my centerpiece. So what better way to do it than with her lovely papers. So I just cut it and glued it, and then I doodled a little bit on top of it. You know, I love to doodle, so that's just part of, you know, my art, my creations, what I am. So I did this, and it looked, to my eyes, pretty amazing. It felt good to use her pieces. It felt good to just, you know, finish something here in Madrid with something made in Australia. So it was nice. Hope you try this out because it's pretty cool. Now, if you like color, you don't be afraid. Use color. I love coffee. So yeah, I had to do it with coffee. I am going to also list the materials, not the materials, but what I use down below, so that, you know, in case you're wondering what I'm writing with, or, you know, I'll just put it down there for you. And if anything, you want to do this and then you don't have Instagram and you are too shy to send me an email, or you just, you know, like to keep your piece for you, just feel free to make a video. That it's even better because I get to see you create, and Shaz will sure enjoy this too. So don't be shy, just make a video, post it on Instagram, write me an email, whatever you want. Just get your juices, you know, the creation going and flowing. Anyhow, if you like any of my techniques with coffee, I have 2 full videos on how to use them and how I do those. But for now, this is it. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you join in with the fun. Have an amazing day. Bye, friend.